Here's an example of indeterminate form of limits involving trig functions. So I'm not able to use the special trig limits here because if I go ahead and do 1 minus cosine h over h times h, I know this limit goes to 0. That's going to be 1 over h here, 1 over h. It turns out to be 1 times 0 over 0, which is 0 over 0, and that's indeterminate form. And we've talked about indeterminate forms earlier. If we have indeterminate form, we need to think about some algebraic techniques like rationalizing or factoring or something else that would help us out to get rid of the 0 over 0 form. So I'm going to go ahead and rationalize the numerator here, multiply numerator and denominator with 1 plus cosine of h. And that's going to leave me with limit h goes to 0, 1 minus cos square h over h squared times 1 plus cosine h, which leaves me with limit h goes to 0. 1 minus cos square h is sine square h over h squared, 1 plus cosine of h. Okay, so almost there. Looks like this is going to turn out nice now. Sine h over h times sine h over h times 1 over 1 plus cosine of h. Now we do know when h goes to 0, this limit goes to 1, this limit goes to 1, and this limit goes to 1 times 1 over 1 plus cosine of 0 is 1. So it turns out to be 1/2. 1/2 is the limit here.